Before understanding the laws of heredity, there are some genetic terminologies. It is necessary to understand those genetic terminologies for the better understanding about the laws which were formulated by the Gregor Mendel in mid of 19th century. Character. What is the meaning of character? Heritable feature is called as character, like the skin color, color of the eyes, they will be called as character. While what is the meaning of trait? Trait is variant of a character. If we take the example of human eye color, like some of the persons they have black eyes, some brown, some gray and some blue. So this variation is called as traits. While true breed, if all the offsprings are produced of same variety, like the tall plants, they will produce tall offsprings, and short plants, they will produce short plants. Those varieties will be called as true breeds. Gregor Mendel labeled different generations by parental generation, F1 generation and F2 generation. What is the meaning of parental generation, F1 generation and F2 generation? If we take the example of the humans, grandparents, they will be called as a parental generation. Their daughter and sons, they will be called as F1 generation, while their granddaughter and grandsons, they will be called as F2 generation. What is the meaning of pure cross and hybrid cross? The cross between two true breeding plants is called as pure cross, while a cross between two hybrid plants, that is called as between the plants which were produced as a result of pure cross. If we cross those plants, that cross is called as hybrid cross. What is the meaning of genotype and phenotype? Genotype is the genetic makeup of an organism, like the number of chromosomes, the number of genes, or the sequence of that genes in a particular organism is the genetic makeup of that organism. While the physical appearance of that individual, like the height of an individual, the skin color of an individual, or the color of the eyes, these are the physical appearance and these are called as a phenotype of that individual. If we take here the example of genotype and phenotype, if we take a phenotype, there are three purple color flowers and one white color flower. These are the three purple color flower and one is white color flower. So these are phenotypes, purple color and white color. These are phenotype. While if we say that purple color have two type of genotype, one is homozygous. These are homozygous, capital P and capital P, while this plant that is heterozygous, one is capital P and one is small p. So purple color has two type of genotypes, one that is homozygous and the second one that is heterozygous. What is the meaning of dominant and recessive? During a cross, when one trait expresses itself over the other, that trait is called as dominant, while that trait which is masked by the other trait is called as recessive trait. If we take the example of dominant and recessive, like a round is dominant over a wrinkle. So round is a dominant trait while wrinkle seed, they are the recessive trait.